everyone. So welcome to my live room. Hello. Okay, so can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment. Hello everyone. Okay, so I see what's the offer today. Today I have a great deal for everyone. Because our Christmas, so we have so many calls. Okay. Yeah, okay, so thank you. So welcome every friends to come to my live room. So if you are the first time come to my live room, hope you are well today. Okay. Yeah, so which course, so which certification do you want? Okay, yeah, so wait a moment, our live room is beginning. Okay. Okay, so let's begin today's live sale. Okay, so hello buddies. Okay, so thank you coming to my live room. Wow, so many friends to come to my live room. I feel very excited. Okay, so today we will bring so many offer for everyone. So Christmas holiday is near. So what's your plan for a long vacation? Okay, so maybe some friends want to achieve DC CCIE. Okay, I see some friends want to achieve security lab. Okay, so yeah, okay. Just want to know the stable damp. Okay, so do you want to know the CCIE lab? Okay, yeah, okay, CCNA exam. Okay, so okay, so today we have so many calls, so we can bring you so many offer for you. It won't disappoint to you. Okay, so you need CCIE level. Okay, yeah. So I see so many friends want to achieve IT certification. Okay, yeah. Today we have so many great deal for everyone. Okay, so some guys maybe. We know some guys want to learn during our vacation. Okay, maybe some friends want to travel. So okay, great. Hope you have a nice holiday at that time. So now let's watch your stream and let me tell you more about it. So okay, let me introduce myself. I'm SPOTO CCIE tutor. I'm Cindy. So do you know me? Okay, I'm responsible for your CCIE lab. So if you want to know the CCIE lab, I will introduce later. Okay, so you can welcome join me today. So everyone is welcome to enter our live broadcast room. So welcome everyone. Okay, so good afternoon. Okay, or good afternoon or good evening. Okay, so welcome so many friends. Okay, so today we will talk about the CCIE overview and SDA. Also, I will introduce CCIE package as well as my tips to help you pass CCIE exam. So most importantly, we have huge Christmas deal. I think many friends want to get this. Okay, so it's for every candidate who want to do CCIE recently. Okay, so this webinar is worth $199 and now you can learn it free. So yes, it's free but exclusive for SPOTO learners. Yeah, it's just for SPOTO learners. So you can share your friends for more. So let's start today's live sale. Okay, so you know I just told you I'm CCIE lab tutor, so this is my I number. Okay, so I belong to SPOTO Gold instructor. So I'm proficient in Cisco and also responsible Huawei Datacom technology. I have 5 years of experience in after-sales technical support from manufacturers and 2 years of project management experience. So in my CCIE journey, I achieved CCIE certification just 2 months. So, but maybe some friends won't trust my experience. But I told you, if my SPOTO students have achieved CCIE certification, just use 1 month. Yeah, some friends maybe have strong learning ability, so they learn CCIE very quickly. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you can follow SPOTO tutors to achieve your CCIE certification at one time. Okay, so I will make brief introduction of CCIE first. So the CCIE is one of the most prestigious networking certification in the world issued by Cisco, and it is meant to identify top network engineer expert. So employees see CCIE as one of the most influential networking certification a network engineer can have. Okay, so with CCIE, you can take your place as a technical leader. So we know Cisco has many CIE check, such as enterprise infrastructure and data center and service provider, as well as security and collaboration. So I see many friends in my life room. You want to achieve CCIE. So can you tell me what's your CCIE check? Do you want to get? So I see this Ellison want to get CCIE lab, and I see some friends want to get security and enterprise infrastructure and data center. Okay, so but some friends, if you want to know CCIE check, you can tell me. Okay, CCIE. Okay, I know EI is very popular in IT, so it's also this. Enterprise infrastructure is mainly about routing and switching. Okay, you need CCIE security. Okay, yeah, security. Okay, so enterprise and security are more popular than other IT check. Okay, yes, it's also very important. Okay, but I will introduce enterprise infrastructure later, and security now. Maybe you need to wait a moment, because I know Cisco just changed the security CCIE in October. So maybe if you want to learn CCIE security check, you maybe need to wait a moment. But SPOTO has updated this check. Okay, so now let's introduce this IE. Okay, so CCIE is widely considered the industry highest level IT certification program. So, however, do you know the CCIE salary? So let's see the report on CCIE salary. The total pay range of CCIE is in the USA is 1,350,000 $1,350,000. Okay, so per year, and the estimate total pay for a CCIE engineer is 173,043 $143 per year in the USA. So you can see from the right chart You can see the right chart. There are huge gaps for salary between certified and non-certified professionals. So people with CCIE certificates earn almost 20%. Learn the non-certified. So you can get the idea of why CCIE is so popular. So you can get why I achieve CCIE. Okay, because CCIE certification can boost my salary and it can bring my future career. Okay, so if you want to know more CCIE offer, you can contact our admin. Okay, you can contact our admin. Maybe they can. Okay, so if they don't respond to you, you can message them again. Okay, also you can contact our admin. Okay, admin, please contact these friends again. Okay, so let's see the CCIE job titles. So these are about our CCIE job title. So the entry level job title in the industry for Cisco certified internet work expert include network engineer, network architecture, and Cisco engineer, and so on. And the mid and the senior level designation for CCIE certified professional include Cisco consultant, senior security engineer, and CCIE security engineer. So if you have CCIE certification, you can access so many job titles. Okay, this job demand our CCIE certification. So according to this pay scale, the salary for different job titles varies based on years of experience. We know working experience is very important for us to get high salary. So countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potential for CCIE certification holders and great sales enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. Okay, so I must emphasize CCIE certification is very important for your IT career. Okay, so if you want to boost your salary, if you want to have bright future career, if you can, you must achieve CCIE certification as possible. Okay, so next part, I will show the SDA in CCIE. Okay, so I want to show the SDA for you. So we know SDN is very important for Cisco. So I know Cisco stated that in version 1.1 in EI Lab, SDN will have many changes. So today we must know the SDA knowledge. Okay, so let's see first what's software-defined networking SDN. So first, an approaching and architecture in networking work control and the data planes are decoupled and the intelligence state are logically centralized. So second, an enabling technology where underlying network infrastructure is arbitrary from the application networking. So third, a concept that leverages programmability interface to enable external system to influence network provisioning, control, and operation. So the traditional networks have so many problems, such as secure onboarding, complex to manager, and slow issue resolution. So in SDN, we use SDA to solve learn problems. We use SDA to solve learn problems and SD1 for one problems. So today we will focus on the knowledge point related to SDA. Okay, so let's know the SDA. Let's master SDA first. So if we master SDA, we must know the fabric. Okay. So SDA, we must know the fabric concept. So what's the fabric? What's the fabric? So fabric is important concept. It's provide an overlay network. Okay, so an overlay network is a logical topology. It's used to connect device virtually. Okay, so built on top of some arbitrary physical underlying topology. And the overlay network typically use alternate forwarding properties to provide additional service other than those provided by the underlying layer. So fabric contains 3 features. Okay, so let's see the fabric features. Okay, first, control plane based on list. So what's Lisp? Okay, Lisp is locator. Okay, so locator and ID separation protocol. Okay, so this is Lisp. Second is data plane based on VTOLN, VRF and SGT. VRF, but in SDA, the VRF is VN. So VN is the same as the VRF. Okay, so and SGT is scalable group tagging. So thirdly is about policy plane with Cisco trust-sec. Okay, so let's see the SDA consists of 3 major roles at the same time: control plane, edge and border. Control plane, edge and border. So what's the control plane? Okay, what's the control plane and what about the edge and the border? Okay, so control plane node. Let's introduce this first. Control plane runs a host checking database. Okay, it's including database to map location information. So a simple host database that map ID among other attributes to a current location. And database support multiple type of ID lookup types: IPv4, IPv6, or MARC. And it can receive and point ID mapping registration for IP prefix from edge or border node. Okay, so it's about our control plane. So what's about the edge node? So what's the edge node? So edge node, it provides first hop for users or device connect to fabric. So edge board is responsible for identifying and authenticating endpoint, and it's used to register specific endpoint ID information. Also, edge node, it will provide anycast L3 gateway for connected, and it will also performs encapsulation or decapsulation or data traffic to end from all connected endpoint. So it's about our edge board. So border. So what's border node? Okay, so border node is entry and exit point for data traffic going into and out of a fabric. So if we know border node, we must know border. Border has 3 types. It's including internal border, external border, and internal and external. Anywhere it has 3 types. So what's the internal border or external border or internal and external border? So internal border, we know it's used to connect our traditional network traditional network routing and switching. Okay, so it's internal board. And the external board is used to connect our internet, ISP, internet. So if the device is internal and external board, it has the route to traditional network and it can used to connect the ISP. Okay, so it's the border, our border node. So let's see the three rows: control plane, edge, and the border used in our CCIE lab. Okay, so we can see what's the three rows place in our CCIE lab. Okay, so you can see this is the SDA and SD1 topology. SDA and SD1 topology. So okay, so let's see the requirement about the SDN. So we need to know the topology. So these are about our traditional network DC, and these are our branch 1 and branch 2. So there are three switch 400, switch 401 and 402. It's belong to our external border because it's connected to our because it's belong to our external border, have route to have default route to the ISP. Okay, so as one CCIE will be available. Okay, so our CCIE lab version 1.1 is updating. So because we need to ensure the solution has high score. So you need to wait a moment. But SPOTO will ensure the solution will pass. So you can wait a moment, but we are updating it. We are updating. So maybe we need a few time. Because I CCIE tutor, I and my my colleagues and I are updating this solution. Okay, so if you want to know the progress, you can contact tutor. Okay. Okay, so let's see the CCIE lab SDN requirement first. So you can see this part belong to 3A. We need to configure Takasis. So this part related to ISE. Okay, so this part we won't share in detail. We just see the next part is about our VM. Okay, so in CCIE lab, so branch has 3 VM. It's including guest VM and employee VM and IoT VM. So we need to configure 3 VM. I just told you VM is VRF. So this switch need to has 3 VM. So you can see. Okay, a new VM virtual network IoT and create the address pool for IoT VM and the IoT VM for branch 1, branch 2. So you need to allocate the address pool. So configure the address pool for guest VM. Okay, so this part is just to configure VM. Okay, but SDA isn't very difficult for SDN. SD1 is more difficult for our students because SD1 has root leak and the central policy, local policy, so it's very difficult. Maybe I will share SD1 technology next time. Okay. So let's see the next part. Okay. Yeah, so if you want to know more CCIE Lab version 1.1 for more, you can also contact our admin to get the demo. Okay, to get demo, we can provide the routing switching demo and the design for you. Okay. So let's continue. Okay, so most of you are worried about our CCIE Lab version 1.1. Okay, so today I will introduce the CCIE Lab status. So after the CCIE title changes, do you still need to study version 1.0? So it's depend on yourself. If you hasn't learned the CCIE version 1.0, I would suggest you to learn the version 1.0 because routing switch hasn't changed much. Okay, it's many change in our SDN. Okay, so routing and switching is worth you to learn it. And when we will provide the new solution, okay, so you don't worry about it. We are updating it. So we just need a little time to protect our solution correct. So if we complete it, we will inform you. Okay, so I need to tell you, maybe some countries has fewer test location. So if you plan to achieve CCIE certification in 2024, I would suggest you to reserve test location in advance. You can book April, so you can have enough time to prepare. Because generally our students need to CCIE, because generally some friends need 3 months to prepare CCIE Lab. Some friends just need 2 months to prepare. So I will suggest you to book the CCIE test location April, so you have enough time to prepare. Okay. Okay, so you can see this is our version 1.1 topology. It's basically the same as our old version. Okay, you can see it just there are fewer changes in our topology. You can see the V edge is changed to C edge. These are C edge. Okay, so the topology basically the same as the old topology. So also you can see these are about our CCIE Lab latest demo. So anyone who want to get this real demo, you can join in comment room to get a latest demo. Group members only. Okay, it's just for group members only. So if you want to know more, you can contact our admin. Okay, so you can see it's a next part we will introduce the CCIE lab service package. So we have talked loads about EI exam overview and the process. So I think you must wonder how to pass the CCIE EI lab exam in less time. So also, if you want to boost salary, it's the best time to choose SPOTO learning package, which can help you pass in 3 months. So let's show you the passing secret. The passing secret, step by step. Okay. So first, EI Lab has 2 modules, including design and the DOO. So design is very simple. We just need to learn the DOO. Okay. So we know DOO has 5 hours, but if you want to, if I were your CCIE tutor, I would suggest you to complete DOO within 3.5 hours. Okay, because you will experience many difficulty in your exam. So if you haven't enough time, if you don't familiar with the CCIE EI lab solution, you will fail the exam. Okay, so secondly is about our CCIE rate. Okay, so we will provide sufficient rate for everyone. You can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. Our CCIE rate mainly in China and North American, so you don't worry about CCIE rate. Okay, and our practice environment will separate routing, switching, SDA, and the programming, and finally we'll have a fusion experiment. So these are about routing and switching, and these are about our SDN. So it's basically the same. Is the test room, so you can play your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance. And when you practice, we will help you to verify your practice quality to ensure your practice. Okay. So the overall rate practice environment is very convenient for you, and the main environment is almost the same as the test room, 99% identical to test room. Okay, so here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you choose our CCIE lab training course. First, we provide one-to-one service at the VIP level, and we will distribute EI lab solution. All study material that are the same as the exam content. So we will provide reg exercise. And if you encounter any problems or difficulties, so we will help you to solve them. So we will arrange the sprint plan for your master needing attention in the exam. So we will make sure you pass the CCIE in one pass in the exam. Okay, so here is the CCIE EI Lab version 1.1 service package, and you can get. So we provide 3 months service time, so you will have enough time to practice, and it's including material, reg, physical reg, SDN, and routing and switching reg. It's no limit for you. Okay, it's no limit for you. But I want to tell you, in many vendor, they don't provide routing and switching reg for you. They just need to they just need to install EVNG. Okay, but for SPOTO, we just provide routing switching rack for you, and it's also no limit hours for you. Okay, so it's very flexible for you. Okay, and also we will provide latest lab exam feedback, so it can ensure, it can avoid any difficulties during your exam. Okay, so you can see this is our study plan for everyone to pass the EI lab exam at one time. Okay, so at CCIE, EI lab has 2 modules. So we deliver lab service and learning material in stage. Okay, the first step is routing and switching rack and the solution. The learning cycle is 3 to 4 weeks. So the step 2 is SDN. It's need to 1 month to master, and it's also use our CCIE rack. So no need to consume a local computer. Practice anytime, anywhere. So if you complete the first stage, we will verify the quality of your practice. Okay, and programming is also simple for you. So the main difficulties is our routing, switching, and SDN, and last is our design. So programming and design, you don't worry about it. Okay, you just need to recite it. Okay, so let's see. Here I want to share my preparation tips for our CCIE students. First, lab requirement and provisioning. If you want to take the exam, you must familiarize yourself with and understand the lab topology and the requirement. Okay, so you should understand the provisioning environment for each device. And the second, lab topology data analyze. Practice lab content in module. Analyze the routing data clearly. So identify weak point, summarize the fault, and share your troubleshooting ideas with your tutor or with your classmate. Okay, you should completely practice lab version without referring the solution to improve your proficiency and accuracy. And last, contact tutor for periodic quality inspection. This is very important to verify your own shortcomings and communicate with tutor more. Okay, you should be able to follow your tutor's preparation tips. Okay, so these are my exchange experience with CCIE student. So I hope you can follow this advice. So these are our feedback from other candidates. So you can see we will provide stable solution for you. These solutions are the design and the DO were exactly the same as our examination room. Okay, so all questions the same. The solution is stable. So we need to ensure the solution is right, is stable. Okay, so if you want to boost salary and build a brand new career, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE lab package, so which can help you pass in 3 months. So in today's huge Christmas sale, you can enjoy a lower price than usual. So the original price is $2,000. Now the CCIE lab it just need $1,350. Okay, so you can save $650. Okay, so you can check a link on the comment room in live chat section to enjoy my exclusive offer for you. So you can order now, because in Europe, our CCIE lab package is $2,000, and in my CCIE live sale, we just need to $1,500. today it just need $350. So it's really cheaper than Euro day. Okay, so hope you don't miss today if you want to achieve CCIE in 2024. Okay, also some friends want to achieve security or DC. I see some friends want to achieve DC or service provider, right? So it's also provide great deal for you. It just need $1,350. Okay, so you can save $650. Okay, so it's really cheap than Euro day. So friends who want to learn, who want to achieve CCIE should hurry up because this price won't be offered after 24 hours. It will return to $2,000. So also this is the best price for 2023. So last chance to get IT exam dams at lowest price. So if you want to get other dams, you can also join the group and ask admin for more. Okay, so I must emphasize you again. CCIE, you worth it because after we updating the price we won't provide this price for you. Okay, it's just for our Christmas deal. Okay, so before the CCIE EI Lab version 1.1 is updating, so you can buy this, but you can learn after the stable solution. Okay, you can buy it now, but you can learn later. Okay, so you don't worry about our SPOTO service. It's very you can trust SPOTO. So and also the most important thing is if you order today in a live sale, you can get a CCIE lab exam guide on how to tackle CCIE exam step by step. Okay, these are all feedback from our CCIE student. Okay, so you can get a CCIE lab exam guide on how to tackle CCIE exam from our CCIE student, which are collected CCIE expert based on candidate exam feedback, as well as useful tips for exam passing. So I must emphasize you, many vendors won't offer this for you, but I think it's very important. It can avoid any difficulties during your exam. So in CCIE in SPOTO student, I will emphasize our student to read it, to master the guide before take the exam. Okay. Okay, need more discount. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can contact our admin. Okay, but I think it's a little difficult because this price is really cheap than Euro day. Okay, so now it's free for everyone to. It's free for anyone who make the order today. So hurry to book now. Okay. So also for CCDE, we have lowest price too. The written exam is $270 only, and CCDE is $1,500 only. So you can save up to $500 offer today. So please grab it as soon as possible. Don't miss the best price, or you need to wait for another year. Okay, so today our CCNA dump is now at a huge Christmas sale too, so you can enjoy a low price than Euro. The original price for CCNA is $350. So can you guess our live sale price in CCNA? Okay, so can you guess what's the price about our CCNA? Okay, you can see, wow, $130. Okay, you can save $220. $20. So please check a link on the comment room in the live chat section. So we will provide 100% pass guarantee, 8 days access to them, one by one tutor support. Okay, so also, do you know how to pass CCNP exam in the first try? Okay, so yes, choose SPOTO. SPOTO updated the CCNP exam in December. So in today's live sale, you can enjoy a low price for the whole year. So the original price for CCNP core exam is $400. So yes, so it's only need $210 today, and the concentration live sale price is $160. So original price is $300. So you can check a link on the comments room in the live chat section. Also, besides Cisco, we also have other IT certification on huge Christmas sale. So let's see one by one. Okay, so Christmas has so many huge sale for our SPOTO friends. So let's see one by one. Okay, so let's come to wholesale network certification. We have great sale for Cisco Juniper F5 and the Fortinet Network Plus certification. So if you want this product, please grab the special offer link on the comment room. So second, let's come to PMP, Project Management certification. So the professional of project management have recently become one of the hottest jobs, not only in the teach market but across industry. So our IT market also need PMP. Because like me, I achieve PMP. Okay, I also need to achieve PMP. I plan to achieve PMP in 2024. Okay, so if you want to achieve PMP, maybe we can learn together. Okay, so if you want to pursue project management certification like PMP, RMP, and ACP, Prince2, and Xmas and ITIL V4, so you can grab the special offer link like on the comment room. Okay, third, let's move the third top certification, domain cloud. So we have great sale for AWS and the Microsoft certification. So if you want this practice test, please grab the special offer link on the comment room. Okay, so last but not least, I know some of you are interested in career in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand with high payout as well. CompTIA Security Plus, CISA, CISM, Prince, PCNSA. So certification are the top cybersecurity certification you can pursue. So we have DEMP and the Process Service which can help you get IT certification in first try. So please check a link on the comment room to pass IT fast. Huge Christmas sale is on. So please grab the best offer. Okay, so you may wonder how to get IT certification with SPOTO. So there are easy 5 steps to get certified. Step 1, select your certification. Pay fee, connect with us. So exam schedule, you will pass the exam. So get certified with us today. Okay. So today our live sale has so many Christmas deal. So which IT certification do you want to get? Okay, CCIE, EI Lab, or security DC service provider, or wireless, or CCDE, and our CCNA and CCNP, and our CompTIA PMP, and our cloud. So many IT certification for you. So many IT great Christmas deal for you. So if you want to boost your salary, if you want to have bright future career, so you mustn't miss today's Christmas deal. You can buy now for your 2024. Okay, so I think everyone need to learn during our IT market. Okay, so we need to boost our salary. Okay, right? So I think these will help you to get high salary. Okay. I think money is important for me. Okay, so do you have any other questions? If you have any other questions, you can leave your comment below. Okay. Okay, so if you have no further questions, today's webinar is coming to an end. So do you have any other questions? Okay, so so if you want to achieve IT certification, you can choose our SPOTO package. You can choose our SPOTO Christmas deal. It's very cheap than our Euroday. It won't provide for next year. Okay, so if you miss today's chance, you need to wait next year's Christmas. Okay, so if you have no further questions, so today's webinar is coming to an end. So I hope my explanation on CCIE Lab exam process, solutions, as well as our SPOTO CCIE service package can help you to know why to choose SPOTO and why we can help you to pass CCIE Lab fast. So let's get CCIE certified together in 2024 with SPOTO based Christmas huge offer. Also, we have many highest paying IT certification you can get too. So don't miss last huge Christmas sale on all IT products. Okay, so see you next time. If you have any other questions, you can also contact our admin to get more material and information. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.